All right, so today we're gonna start reassembling the 80s style. We got new shocks. These are KYB gas adjusts. The same exact shock that was on it before, except they're not rusty. And they're nice and pretty and shiny. And they came with hardware, I'm pretty sure. I lied. No hardware included. That's fine, I have bolts. No big deal. Look at these bad boys. Shiny, ready to go in there. The bottoms, I do remember I had to make an adjustment. So with the bottoms, they have these, and I'm pretty sure I had to cut them off last time. No big deal. Maybe I didn't have to. We'll find out when I take this one off. So it's been a while since I did these. I replaced these shocks roughly 4 or 5 years ago. So what I did is I jack up the frame from the very front so it gets the weight off this section. Tire's still on the ground, but it maxes out the shock line. Then I can slide this one in, and I can just press gently until it reaches. Apologies, I unplugged you. Not that it matters, but we'll just take this. I don't know if I can get you guys a better angle or not. So I got this one out pretty easy, and as you can see, I did cut these. These are the ones I did cut, like I thought. So this one looks like this, while this one looks like this. It's got like the little ears on it. So also that shock is way longer too. Huh. Weird. There he goes. Whew. So first look at the new shock. Compared to the old ones over there. So we can put that one out on that side. So we'll do the same thing. Check out the front of the frame. Get the weight off it. Drop it out. Bada bang. Then stop. There we go. All better. Let's put you on. I just searched for this nut for 15 minutes, only for it to be at the front of my frame. There we go. Muscles! Almost thought I lost this again. There it goes. Holy shit! So the rear shocks have a slightly different setup. Actually, this is what we're going for here. This is what it looks like. This piece will go through the shock, through the frame, and around to this side, right there. Merge it there with a nut on it, and there'll be a nut on this side as well. It'll look something like this. So you'll put it through this way, and the shock will slide onto this piece, and you'll tighten it on. I am the menace that puts chrome sockets on impacts. So the back one's 15/16. Looks like I went lock washer, bolt. I just gotta get those bottoms off at 3/4. Oh no. Yep. Bada bing. Ooh, gross. Anyway, so we're gonna set up the same way. As you can see, it's like this. So if you end up going with these shocks, they kind of go together in like a piece. So you're gonna want to pull it out. So you're gonna want this piece going through the frame, and then there's like this rod in between, and the thread's on this side. So you're gonna put the rod through the middle, Okay, I'll find it. So they're out the middle like that. So you're gonna have threads over here, and this side will go through the frame like this, and this side will just be tightened. It's just so you can pull this piece through and tighten. So you can take a big washer, small lock, and then the nut. You'll put it all together. What is happening? Jesus! Holy shit! You spin all the way around and catch it. Nope. Not like that. We're gonna move in, so should zip off. Should. Holy smokes. Oh my God, he's still on. So if you can see this, I should probably just replace it honestly, but I think it's fine. But it's pretty gunked up, so we're gonna go through with a thread chaser, probably the nut too. After a trip to the hardware store, I got a new bolt because I ruined mine. So let's get this taken care of. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, oops, sorry. Give her a couple extra ugga-duggas. People ugga-duggas. Just like that. I torqued them to 90. I think the torque spec's 82. So that's going to be the end of the shock install video. Look at these beauties. All installed, torque to spec. Can't really see that one because it's way over there. Now the plan for tomorrow, motor and rear bushings for the leaf springs. My wife has to do, she has to work a double tomorrow, so I'll have all kinds of free time. So tomorrow I think I'm going to tackle that. I think it's going to be the goal. So if you like this video, hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you are new. This will also be on TikTok, little bits and pieces. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Kisses.